Howdy. Great to be here.
Yeah, so we've been friends for a good little while, and we've always had a real good time together, talking, laughing, doing business, done some deals, made a little money, had a little fun, and you know that I'm kind of into the web, and that is a kind of my thing. I enjoy helping people. I enjoy working with technology to make what we're doing better, easier, and more efficient. And when I told you that I was going to do this DIY Webmaster class and said, hey, you want to come to the class, what were your first thoughts? You think it's a good idea? You think people will learn stuff?
My first thought was exactly what I said. Of course I'll be there. For one main reason, because you're going to be there teaching it. And that's right there enough for me. Because I know you, and I know enough about you to know that it will be worth my time.
That's awesome.
You're a very intelligent person, but there's a lot of intelligent people, especially in the technical field, that don't know anything about anything except for some of the technical stuff. You, on the other hand, have several incredible abilities. One of them is your great passion for what you do. And that, combined with your passion for helping other people do what they're trying to do, is what makes you incredibly unique.
Wow, thank you.
Now, there's one other thing, too, and that is that you have a rather uncanny ability to learn something and then immediately think of 8,317 ways to apply it to help not only what you want to do, but help, Fred over here, he could use that to do whatever.
Wow.
And that also is a very rare skill for a technical person. But mostly it's just your passion for what you do and the passion for helping people that makes, for me, every time I hang around you, I just watch, usually with my jaw hanging open, because I'm so amazed at what you do and how quickly you do it and how efficiently you do it and how well you do it.
Oh.
So count me in. I'll be there.
Oh, good. Gosh, thank you. Wow. I'll have to pay you later. That might be a lot. Can you take payments? I appreciate that.
Hey, we'll work it out.
Okay, I appreciate that. Yeah, this is my life. This is my life's work. I know that for sure. I've known it for a very, very long time. And I do believe that the web is leverage. It is an advantage that we all can use. A lot of people use the web in a way that doesn't really help them, except maybe email and entertainment. But my position is that you really can hire the web and allow it to help you do what you're already trying to do faster and easier. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the class.
I'll be there.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.